My name is Plínio, and I will present my research, Analysis of the Imunohistochemical Tissue Expression of the interleukin-17 receptor in necropsia samples from children with little known pandemic respiratory infections. My advisor is Dr. Lucia de Noronha, my co-advisor is Dr. Mineia Malaquias. I'm a medical student from campus Curitiba, and this work was supported by SEMIC. Acute respiratory infections are one of the main causes of morbidity and mortality in childhood. The World Health Organization estimates about 3 million of children were victimized in the past decade. When there's an infection, the host defense produces pro-inflammatory cytokines, which, among of them, the receptor is found. It believes that the higher expression of the increases the severity of the inflammatory response, leading to lethal lung injuries. The objectives were evaluating the lung immunohistochemical tissue expression of the receptor in necropsia samples from children, quantifying the tissue expression of the receptor in 68 lung samples, and correlating the percentage found of the receptor with the characterizations of the studied samples. It was analyzed at 68 samples with ages varying from 1 month to 14 years old, both genders, and the cause of death was by non-pandemic respiratory viruses. The lung samples were separated in tissue microarray paraffin blocks. They were immunostained and they were photographed using the Action Scan Z1 scanner, and the analysis of the image was performed by software Image Propose 4. From 68 samples, 13 had to be excluded due to unfavorable aspects to the technique, resulting in 55 samples. Table 1 shows that there was a higher expression and it was statistically significant. Table 2 shows that regardless of the type of the virus analyzed, the tissue expression was higher and it was statistically significant as well. So in conclusions, we can see that the expression of the receptor presented significantly higher in the analyzed samples, regardless of the viral type investigated. The increase of the expression can be related to a progression of the immune response related to the lung damage, leading to a worse outcome associated to a higher mortality rates. The identification of this biomarker brings new approaches in the future, as preclinical investigations serving as a tool to predict prognosis and prevent bad outcomes, and adopting a target therapy, which has already been used in dermatological and rheumatological diseases, that is the monoclonal antibody produlumab. These results were already published this year in an article in Immunobiology. Thank you.